what you think about Harlem River. I'm in love, 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 love.
Here we are, Guardamar Castle.
Where we headed?
Check you up there now, have a look.
Harlem River, I'm in love, 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 love. All because of you. In my pearl and my diamond shoes, I've climbed a cloud, now I've stole the moon. Harlem River.
Okay, here we are at the crash site. This is where I crashed out, on this soft sand here. It's coming down here, and I just turned in here a little tiny bit and it just went. That's probably my mark though. Here.
And Harlem River, swallow me. Put your hands around
Right, let's go to the battlements, have a look at that. I'm going to push me back, I'm not falling off here.
I can't breathe. They've got the lights down now. And Harlem River, give me wings. Put my head up in the clouds. And Harlem River, all because oh, I'm nowhere now. Harlem River.
Here we are on top of the battlements. Santa Paula, I was there yesterday. La Marina's just round the urbanisation, La Marina.
Don't know, I don't know just where I'm going, 'cause I've never been. And I don't know, I don't know just where I'm going or where I've been. Oh, Harlem River, like a diamond.
So here we are, we've just been to Guardamar, to the castle. Now we're going down to Guardamar Marina, which is down here, about another mile maybe. I'll bring it back in, mate, when we get a bit closer.
And ride out that easy rider, flow like that Harlem River, and ride out that easy rider, flow like that Harlem River. I ride for you, I ride for you, I ride for you, I ride for you.